Come cook with me. I'm Smita. Let's make spicy popcorn today. This popcorn does not even need butter. We have covered the base of the pot with oil. And let's cover the pot so it heats up faster. Oil is hot, so we're going to put 2 handfuls of, we'll see, even 3 will be good. And cover it. You will know as soon as it starts popping, that it's getting ready. After it starts, it doesn't take long at all. Can you see it? I think those are the last few ones popping. I've turned off the stove now. Make sure that you leave the cover on. When you open it, just be very careful. Just open it a little bit away from your eyes. Now we can season the popcorn. Salt, as per taste. It's a good idea to season it while it's really hot, otherwise the popcorn will not catch on the seasoning. Red chili pepper. Turmeric. And sugar. Okay, cover it and you give it a shake. You can add a little bit more if you think it's not enough. Popcorn is still hot. Give it a shake. Alison and Andrea, this is for you.